look at. I play with it, I play.
Welcome guys, and we're back with the next one. And today we'll be making
Patty.
Jamaican patties.
Patty cheese.
I that them call me.
No, fine.
Anyway, so right here we have the seasoned minced beef, and we have powder seasonings, fresh ground seasoning. We're going to share the process. We're just explaining what we're working with first, and the description box will have the, I guess, the exact measurements and those stuff. He's just freehanding it right now for the video purpose. And then this is flour, right? And then we have sliced cheese, because if you get the chunk one, that shit ain't gonna melt. Okay, and we have
what is
this is shortening. What about something I don't know? Boy, this is margarine. Lord God.
Then I have to go back into the fridge very, very soon.
Yeah, and then
we have work with baking powder.
and we see all of the price them do. Things them cheap.
And we have work with some curry powder. The curry powder and the turmeric, I forget the color and flavor. We have work with pink salt. You can work with sea salt or salt, regular salt if you not have pink salt.
And of course, I've got a little sugar inside of the patty crust. And the flour. Yeah, all purpose.
You have to work with gold seal. I can't work with any flour.
Oh.
And we have work with some good old dishwashing liquid to keep the place clean and tidy. You know, we don't want to spread corona on the patty. And a corona patty we make a cheese and beef patty we make. You see me? I say, yeah. So,
can we carry through the process now? We are showing the method of how we do this. Well, how Orion do this, because him say I teach me too. So guys, me I learn we do down here.
Me a free hand guys, me a teacher. But you have to go learn from these hands. Yeah. So sit back, relax, drink some water, some juice or whatever you prefer. Some sorrel
Which
beer.
water and juice? I don't move with this.
Some sorrel beer. Relax yourself and enjoy the cooking of yours truly.
Yeah man, get ready man, and get ready for make it for yourself too. I want to see the pictures them guys.
Yeah, so
anyways.
Yeah, with the picture them on Instagram.
So guys, we're about to take you through the process. Let's go. Alright, so he's just adding the diced seasoning, the fresh ground seasoning onto the meat. Cause you have to do powder seasoning, and well, at least that's what we advise: powder seasoning and fresh herbs. Yeah, powder seasoning has already been added, and you guys are gonna add whatever we did in the description. So if you actually want to take a what did I say? A crack at this, you can go get the ingredients. So here in a bowl we have about 2 cups of flour. Orin knows what he's doing, or at least he claims what him know him do. So in my free styling too.
Turmeric.
So turmeric and the curry is what gives it its It's golden color. I mean, the patty will still taste nice if you don't add in these things, but
still have a color if you don't put them.
But this is what gives it the color. Though I guess the way call it the famous notable color. Yeah. If you see patty and it look white, that not look right.
White patty.
Yeah, I say I wish somebody this name had come give you.
White patty.
If somebody come, if you go on patty shop and buy one patty.
And in white patty.
Exactly. It don't look normal. So you have to add in the things to make it look authentic.
Can't use a white patty.
No. I wanna wish albino baby this time come here. That to give me just a joke.
It was a lot of fun. I apologize to the albino.
Stop it. This is just joke purposes. We're not going no further than this. It's culture.
You know, the freestyle.
But listen to me, if you don't know how to cook it, if I don't know how to cook it, how are you going to freestyle it? You're not teaching people them, no?
I want to never make me.
Or really? Don't make me go dash away. Now make me dash away.
Man, I'm chef. I want to see you. You hear about.
You see, I say I'm love beef, you know, I'm love beef very cocky teeth. Like, just because him study this, you know, him know everything. I best believe if this don't taste good, me I dash away.
You know dash it on my face too.
What? Alright, you hear that? All name face too. Alright, hot patty.
Personal name.
What? Your personal name?
Yes, personal name.
Oh really, you're not a teacher then? You can't teach nobody because all you do are free and things.
Well, don't look how me do it. No, put the correct measurements in the description here, people, so no see it.
The correct, you mean everything?
The correct,
The correct, you can't.
I want to say.
The correct. The correct, you say.
Correct of our mind.
Boy, somebody hungry.
Put too much of this in there.
Yeah, so he's gonna put the correct measurements down below. This is, I guess, you know, we just have go through and show you the method here. That's the word.
So now the video for the method.
And you know, the things.
The ingredients in the description.
That's right. So, good YouTube people. So right aside now we have fling some of the pink salt in there. And as we say in the intro, you know, if you put pink salt, you can put regular salt. You know, we just have a little bougie today. We just feel like, well, you know, we'll make it. No, so make it entering the way. You know, you have to dream big. You can't stagnate in your vision. The vision have to go further. Yes. So, right, so it having little baking powder, little sugar, it having the turmeric, it having little curry powder. Yes, you see me I learn, so make it don't stop. Sugar, some natural sugar in there to give little taste. But I put only part sugar in the thing if you make it it's sweet. Because on a paste and a sweet pastry on it. You know, so I look for something to bring out the flavor rest. So right, so this alright. So now I go on the butter with it. Alright, so I hand over to Shadeka, you know. Where's the bread? It's gone. Alright, so people, you get the knife and ready. Oh dear, you want butter for you? Man, what in the corona season? Sorry, what is Shadeka? What the corona? So, when you might not understand what going on right here, so right now we are going to cut the shortening and the butter, put them in there. So, let me finish.
Right now we are cut out them, you know. So we make a
cubes to make it easier for you with the flour. Yeah, talk to the butter like how the butter can cut it
You must talk to your food.
My
Let
God.
them know what you want out of them. You don't want them come turn cross.
And they come disrespect you like the onion powder, don't
Me I
you?
tell her onion powder she even.
Still vex.
Still vex. She done?
No, she's still well in there. Well,
She done. She free done. Right, so we get them thing and dash them in the flour right or something.
And it's being heated because we're going to deal with the insides now, which is the beef, the meat. So we'll put some. Oh, yeah, add it in. We'll see add them.
If you buy the beef, with them package already, don't put all the pan in it. I greasy. Ooh. Season. Now you want to run from the top. Wash it from afar, yeah.
Let's zoom in for now. Yeah. Smells good, you know? Not bad, it smells good.
Stop. Soak up the scent now and let some to the patty.
That is not yours.
You might try brush away back the scent from it. What if not out of order? And for some reason he's adding carrots. I'm very worried now. Why are you adding carrots? Orion, why? You know, so you're disgusting. Why are you stretching it? Because I was buying the meat and you said no, we don't need more than this. So nothing was. Exactly. So why are you adding carrots to stretch it? Exactly. So I don't understand why you're adding carrots. Are you serious? Shafi? We're mixing the cup of pork on it.
Water's nice sauce and ketchup.
He was determined to make his own brownie.
No brownie.
It's just a nice gravy.
Gravy? What do you make gravy for?
I don't know. Sauce? What you want me to explain it as?
So,
Sauce.
it's a couple of combination.
Don't do it. Don't. Greedy Gretchen. It reach. Yes, it watch your footwork. Watch your footwork. Watch your footwork. Reach. Reach. We get creative and just inspire us.
You see when monkey climb too high, he makes pose the high and go.
So
look on there.
you have someone look decent, you know, when we just the feed basic, you know.
That one that look decent. That
With
one
a
that
cocktail
look
party. But we then decide to
this.
make dumpling party.
What this? What is
I
that?
know what orange they try like a crown that.
What that? Look at people, look at. I play with it, I play. No, sir.
So we are gonna see all them stay.
But they might not look good, but the taste dead. So if you can get them look like this, good for you. If you can get them look like this, good for you. Or even this, good for you. Put it back now. And start dry it off.
Cause I be your egg in it.
Put it back. It's a egg and cheese.
Egg and cheese party people. We run out of meat.
Alright. Mine here, Jappy.
I'll never put it on.
Just put it. Not trouble none.
Me have to make space.
True. Alright, what is this now?
My hand is in eggs.
So people, all we do is make a mess. Look there.
It's going to be a delicious mess.
Why
are you showing the dirty kitchen?
All we do is make a mess. And this, and them are the result. No, sir. All we do is make a mess. But guess what? It is going to be a tasty mess. Look up on that one. Too much meat in this.
When you get greedy and ambitious.
But your teeth fit though.
Come.
Alright, so.
I'm putting that oven.
Hold Mr. Camera. In an oven boy, them in the oven them are going.
People don't laugh. Me I tell them don't laugh. They're nice.
In the oven. How long the oven now wait?
Me I wait longer.
Okay. Alright people, there goes our children.
So people may not bother doing a description box thing. The one is just purely for enjoyment because we chest it too high.
I will just high and show backside.
I already blame. I tell them to come over for a recipe step by step. But through him chest, I can have a look at chef title. No. Free-handed
Even
him
if I
say.
follow the recipe, you could have made them shape there. You could have made the patty.
Me would have
shape.
make some pretty dim
You
sum
could have made the
patty
patty
shape. I make dumpling patty. I want him to you. Dumpling patty.
Yeah, man, you know you.
Some people, we get this. How much time we get this?
15 minutes.
Alright, so come back.
So come, I wash some plate.
Yeah. Me need to wash myself.
You're more than happy to wash yourself. Look at the flour.
White. That me never burned before.
Alright. We're going to clean up the kitchen.
Alright, people. Yeah, we know them look like Frankenstein baby, but don't smell damn good. So well,
them taste better.
yeah, that one it already teeth and eat it, or so don't mind the the disfiguredness some of we born. Sorry. I come out wrong.
Right, just imagine you got a mother that years ago buy a patty
And it looks
and them sell a beef and a bag of crumbs. That is what they are, beef and a bag of crumbs.
it look
The
good.
crust, the
It
crust
is
soft but not flaky.
nice. So
Good.
guess what? We're going to eat that. I want you to know a little beer. You know, for set with feelings right, yeah? So no worry too much about him. So guys, that is it. Me don't know what I'm gonna call this because this is sure as hell not a tutorial. Or to make patty, this is all not to make Jamaican's patty.
Of course, it's how to make patty. Just the shape and
Let me
the,
tell
the,
you.
the,
Yeah.
the liquid never gone proper.
Yeah, yeah.
They want more milk and it did want shape up properly. What do you mean?
Dumpling. These are my dim sum patties with cheese on top. Don't watch it.
I never see mothers that say dim sum. The dim sum patty.
Yes. So now when I watch it and enjoy myself, I will look laugh, with a man because we did with laugh too. So yeah guys.
Maybe we know we do it and it turn out better than our one, you know.
Well definitely probably like a year from now when things shut off. Stick it into being.
Shut off, go bite over that.
Why? Stick it in a bean. When we reach somewhere,
Yeah.
we'll try this over. Definitely we'll do this over. At least we know where we went wrong, so we can correct it. And
They smell and taste good.
they really do. I'm not gonna lie. If it smell bad, I'm telling you. It look awful, me I telling you that. It look awful, but it smell. And as Orion said, it tastes good. I'm alone try it. I'm not try it yet. So
Yeah.
people,
It smell and taste good. I just and it prepare proper too. So yeah, so you just if you can get the amount of milk correctly, so just use 1 cup and add flour as go along while you not need it. And that will do well. But yes, if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, most importantly subscribe. And make we know in the comment section what you think about our Jamaican patties.
Yeah, anyways guys, we enjoyed it doing this, although it came out very disfigured. It was fun.
Yeah.
Anyways, what would I say? Later guys, good
Later,
night,
guys.
good morning whenever you guys are watching it.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye bye.